In this instructional video, we'll be working on how to find the probability of a compound event. So for number 1, it says Owen spins the spinner below twice. What is the probability that he lands on 1 and then 3? So if we spin the spinner, we get an answer of 1, 2, or 3. If we spin it a second time, we would also get an answer of 1, 2, or 3. So when we match up our values, we want to pair the first one with the 1, the 2, and the 3 values. So we could get 1, 1, 1, 2, or 1, 3. We also want to pair up the 2 with all 3 values, 1, 2, and 3. So that would be 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. And then we also want to do 3 with the values 1, 2, and 3. So 3 first with 1, 3 second, then 1, then 3, and 3 again. So when we solve that, we would have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups. So that becomes our denominator. That's the number of total outcomes. And then on top, we're going to put the number of favorable outcomes. That's what the question is asking us and what we want to have happen. So he wants to land on 1 and then 3. So 1 and then 3 is only listed once in those options. And so the answer is 1/9. Now to solve the fraction, we would divide 1 divided by 9 and then multiply that answer times 100% to get an answer of 11.1. Number 2, Tanisha flips a coin and then rolls a 6-sided die. What is the probability that the coin lands on heads and the die lands on 4? So flipping a coin gives us the values heads or tails. Rolling dice gives us the values 1 through 6. And so we match up the heads with all 6 numbers. So heads 1, heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, heads 5, and heads 6. We also are going to match up the tails coin with all 6 numbers. So tails 1, tails 2, tails 3, tails 4, tails 5, and tails 6. Counting up all of our matches, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that becomes our denominator because it's the number of possible outcomes. And then we're going to circle what we want to have happen. We want the coin to land on heads, so we're not looking at any of the tail values. And we need the dice to land on 4. So heads and 4 only happens once, and so that would be our number of favorable outcomes. We solve the fraction 1 divided by 12. We multiply it times 100% to get the answer of 8.3%. Number 3, Sabrina spins the spinner below and then rolls a 6-sided die. What is the probability that the spinner lands on B and the die lands on an even number? So for our spinner, we have the values A, B, C, and D. And then a 6-sided die would be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So matching up our values, we're going to match the letter A with all of our numbers. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and A6. The letter B with all of our numbers. The letter C with all of our numbers. The letter D with all of our numbers. Counting up all of our possible outcomes, we have a total of 24. And then we're going to circle what we want. We want it to land on B, so we're looking in the B row. And then it has to be an even number. So even numbers could be B2, B4, or B6. So there are 3 favorable outcomes, which simplifies into 1/8. We would then divide those values and multiply by 100% to get 12.5%. Number 4, Kai is playing a game where he randomly picks one tile from each of the bags below. What is the probability that Kai picks a vowel and a number greater than 1? So we're going to take our A, B, C, D, and E letters, and we're going to match them with the 1, 2, 3, 4. So A1, A2, A3, and A4, B1, B2, B3, and B4, going all the way to letter E. So once we get through all of our letters and they've been matched with our numbers, we're going to count them up. We have a total of 20 outcomes. So that becomes our denominator. We're going to circle what we want to have happen. So what is the probability that Kai picks a vowel? So vowels would be A and E, and a number greater than 1. So that could be A2, A3, and A4. Or he could get the vowel E and get the number 2, 3, or 4. So there are 6 circled items, 6 favorable outcomes, which simplifies into 3/10. We would divide our number and multiply it times 100 to get an answer of 30%. For number 5, Ava rolls a 6-sided die twice. What is the probability that she rolls 2 odd numbers? So for a 6-sided die, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when we roll it a second time, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to match them all up. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. Starting with 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. Starting with 3, starting with 4, starting with 5, and then starting with 6. So we have a total, if we count up all of our matches, we have a total of 36 possible outcomes. So that's our denominator. We're going to circle what we want to have happen. 2 odd numbers. So that could be 1, 1, 1, 3, and 1, 5. It could be 3, 1, 3, 3, and 3, 5. Or it could be 5, 1, 5, 3, and 5, 5. The rest of them all have some version of an even number in its value. We have 9 circled outcomes. So 9 over 36 is our fraction, which simplifies into 1/4. When we divide and multiply it by 100 to make 100%, we get an answer of 25.